Changing the taillight bulb on a 2020 Ram 1500 sounds harder than it actually is. And yet, it's one of those small things that can get you pulled over or fail your inspection. Trust me, it's worth fixing fast. The pain point is usually time and tools. Most people assume you'll need a mechanic or special gadgets. You don't. You need about 20 minutes, a T25 Torx screwdriver, and a $10 replacement bulb you can find at any auto parts store. Start by opening the tailgate. This is key because the taillight assembly is held by two bolts that are only accessible when the gate is open. It's one of those clever designs by Ram that hides things in plain sight. Look along the vertical edge of the taillight. You'll see two Torx screws, one near the top, one closer to the bottom. Remove both using a T25 driver. Don't strip them out. Apply steady, firm pressure and turn counterclockwise. Here's where it gets a tad tricky. The light housing doesn't just fall off, it's still clipped in. Most people yank it forward, which can break a tab. Instead, wiggle and pull straight back toward you. Take your time. Once the housing is off, flip it around gently. There are two large bulb sockets on the back. You'll want the one that controls the brake light and turn signal. It's typically the upper bulb. Twist it counterclockwise and pull it out. Now inspect the bulb. If the filament inside looks broken or blackened, it's toast. The replacement you want is a 7443 bulb. They cost peanuts, seriously, like a grande drip coffee at Starbucks. Stick with name brands like Sylvania. Insert the new bulb into the socket. It only goes in one way. Push it in gently but firmly, then give it a test if you're paranoid like me. Just have someone step on the brakes while you observe. Yes, you might need a buddy. If it lights up, twist the socket back into the housing, clockwise this time to lock it in. Then realign the housing with the body tabs and press it securely back into position. You'll hear a satisfying snap when it slots in correctly. Reinsert both Torx screws and tighten them down. Not gorilla tight, just snug. Close the tailgate, step back, and admire your level 1 mechanical wizardry. That's $30 in labor saved, and maybe avoiding a $150 ticket too. Pro tip: if one taillight bulb has gone out, the other probably isn't far behind. Swap both at the same time. Preventative maintenance is less about being smart and more about not wanting to repeat the same task in a month. I did mine during a light drizzle in Portland, holding a travel mug of coffee in one hand. You could probably do it blindfolded after the first try. And once you do, you'll wonder why anyone ever pays a shop for this.